Okay, guys, hardware layout for this drawer stack here. If we do two per drawer, just because that cabinet's 40 inches wide, the upper doors, which you're not going to use that often, we would just put a knob on there like this. So of course, all the white cabinets get black marble with golden champagne. This is golden champagne, not bronze, but this particular manufacturer, I don't see one with bronze. It's golden champagne, but it's very close. So what I'm suggesting, knobs for the upper doors, a 7-inch handle for everything else here on this wall, and the handle 7.5, the center to center is 6 5/16. So that shot size is shown here. Upper doors and the 5 5/16 center to center. The overall length is 7.5, which is what we have here. So I think that'll look appropriate. Black handles on white cabinets. The island, same size. White handles, black cabinets. This wall, same size. Knobs up here. 2 handles per drawer here, but this cabinet's 48. So we could go with the largest one that they offer, marble black, which is this guy here. Specifications overall, it is 8 3/4. So this is the biggest one they have. So there'd just be 4 of those big guys under the cooktop. Knob. This would have the medium size. So I guess to make this clear, knobs are the smallest, the largest one here, and then the medium size for these cabinets here. These drawer stacks are narrower, so there would be a 4th handle size that is shown here. Let's see, marble black, golden champagne. So that's center to center, meaning center to center for the screw holes. And then overall, this handle is 6 5/16. So there's 4 sizes. The knob is the smallest, then this one. Then the next step up is would be these guys here, marble black. This is the 7.5. Nope. Sorry. I did it again. It's a 6 5/16. So that 6 5/16 is here. We just need to make these a little bit smaller because of that center panel width. Bar area, knobs up here, the 7.5 here, and then this would be the smaller size handle for these drawers. And again, these are all the white marble on black cabinets, and the laundry, this, because of the size of this can all handle the 7.5. So let me know what you think of that. If that works, I can get these guys ordered up. Let me know.